Oh boy. Welcome back, my lovelies, to another video. Today we're testing out another hairstyling product or a tool. I'm testing out the Infiniti Pro by Conair. This is their Curl Secret 2.0. This looks really good. It has two different sizes. It has 1 1/4 inch and then a 1-inch chamber, which is really nice. And supposedly this should be good. Beachy waves or defined waves. Interchangeable chambers, anti-freeze protection, heats up to 450 degrees. That's cool. And on the back of the box, it just shows you pretty much what to do. Right there. I like it.
Ooh, with pictures, huh?
Yes. And then on this side of the box, it shows you the different curls you get with the different size chambers. Let's try it out. And before I forget, I paid $99.99 without tax in my nearest Target, but I found it on Amazon today for $70.99. So I got scammed. So this is what it looks like once you take it out of the box. It feels very cheap right here. It doesn't feel like it's gonna last a very long time if you don't handle it very gently. And then this portion right here, it is heavy. I mean, this looks like a hammer. You know, Thor? That's kind of what it feels like right now. And of course you have your other chamber. When I opened the box, the 1 inch was already on. So we're gonna try the 1 inch and then the 1 1/4 inch just to see the different curls. So after reading the little pamphlet that came with this, the 3 settings right here start with the heat temperature, which is high and low. I hate that. I like to see how hot my tool gets. And then you have the middle one, which sets the timer for your chambers when you curl it. So for the 1 inch, you have 14, 12, or 10 seconds. And then for the 1 1/4 inch chamber, you have 12, 10, and 8 seconds. And then this last setting is where you control the direction of the curl. So right, left, and I believe auto, because it's an A. All right, so I'm reading the directions because this thing looks intimidating. I don't even know where to place my hair. Where is the hair guide? Where do I place it? I think we figured it out, but I'm gonna separate my hair just in case something does go wrong. I want it to be the hair underneath. And I'm gonna take some heat protectant. This is by Cadis Professional. They're shielded. Okay, so I have this Curl Secret set at the temperature. I have it set at high. I have it set at 10 seconds, and I'm gonna do an automatic curl rotation, and I have the 1 inch. So on this side, it says this side towards your head. So always have this towards your head. I guess what you do is you take a section of hair, you place it through. Oh, it does not sound good. All right, it's done. Look at that. All right, let's try it again. I don't like it, but okay. Let me do left now. Let's do left. So towards my head, through the chamber. Ow, wow, that's hot. No, clamp it. Okay. Okay, so it does curl. Let's do the right side because both of these are going in the same direction. Automatic and left are in the same direction. Let's try R and see if that changes anything. Let me try that one more time. All right, let's do this again. That's better. So I'm gonna take the 1 inch barrel off and change it to the 1.1 1/4 inch. 1.14. 1 1/4 inch. All right, this is a little hot, so I gotta be very careful. Okay. So there we go. You can see inside. All right, so we do the same thing here. Okay, it's on. All right, we're gonna move on to the left side of my head to compare the curls. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start with the right rotation. So I changed it to, I'm gonna keep it on high heat setting and I'm gonna put on 8 seconds and see how this works. All right, so. I love the timer. Oh boy. So next one is the left rotation. So making sure this is towards my head. Pew, pew. Okay. And now let's do automatic. Yeah. No. I don't like this one for my hair. So let's talk about the pros and cons of the Curl Secret 2.0. The first thing I did not like about this, taking it out of the box, it's heavy. I don't like that. For my curling iron, for my hair straightener, I don't like to hold, especially extra weight when I don't need to.
Well, you could work out with it.
That's why I go to the gym. I'm good. The second thing, even though it is automated, which is a really cool thing, once I clamp and my hair goes inside, I can't see what's happening with my hair. I'm a very visual person. I like to see what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't like that. That scares me.
Yeah, you like the visual feedback.
Which I know a lot of people are different, but for me, I like to see, especially dealing with my hair, I like to see it visually on what's going on. Third, it is automated. I'll keep saying that because it is an automated hair tool. You get only a specific type of curl. You can't create different variations with this tool. You get what you get. That's it. There's nothing else. And then fourth are the little settings here. The heat setting, I think, is one of my biggest pet peeves on tools, especially already going towards the $100 price range. It's better for everybody if they can control the heat setting.
Yeah, there needs to be a digital feedback telling you exactly what temperature the thing is at.
Yes, what Andre said. So the pros for this is 1, obviously, it creates consistent curls. 2, I like the timer, especially for this automated tool. It kind of does a job for you in a way. And then 3, I love that they provided the second changeable barrel to give different sizes if you do like the types of curls this creates. So overall, would I recommend this product? No. I'm so conflicted because it does curl your hair, but it only curls it in a certain way that I know a lot of people don't like. Maybe some do, but I know a lot of people don't like. And it is heavy. It's not worth the money. You can curl your hair so many different ways using a regular curling iron. You get the visual feedback looking at your hair and how it curls. Even though this is not digital temperature, I do like that you can actually see how high and how low you can go, and you can actually set it and it will stay there and it will not go anywhere. Because I don't know, does it get warmer once I put it in? Does it get colder once I take it out? So I can't really tell on what's going on right here. So there we have it. My honest opinion on the Infiniti Pro Conair Curl Secret 2.0. It will be going back to where it came from. Back to Target. Thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.